Hi, good day guys. How you guys doing? It's Philip here from Safari Hunt, and today I will be filming a nice video for you guys out of my studio or my man cave, out of my outdoor shop. So what I want to show you today is two of Hig Micro's top of the range scopes, the SQ50 L 3.0 versus the Stellar SQ35 3.0. So what I'm basically going to do is, I got too much questions from clients that ask me which one is best, which one must he buy, and yes, so let's jump right into it. Stay right into this video guys. Let me introduce you to this lovely scopes. Will it be the Stellar SQ35L 3.0 or will it be the Stellar SQ50L 3.0? Guys, these two scopes is both the 640 sensor, SQ35, SQ50, both 12 micron pixel pitch, both of them 50 millikelvin high sensitive thermal sensors. Really the best in each type. You won't find better currently here in South Africa on the market than these two scopes. I will add some videos to this video to show you hunting videos. I'm doing predator hunting, as you can see here at the back. It's an old photo of mine. I'm doing it professionally. I'm a professional hunter. So yeah, just this what I wanted to tell you about these two scopes. Okay guys, there's the two scopes. The 50 with the 50mm objective lens and the 35 with the 35mm objective lens. 35's laser rangefinder is mounted on top, where the SQ50 laser rangefinder mounted inside the lens. Alright, so which one is best for you? Watter ene gaan vir jou die beste opsie wees om te koop? So what I always tell the guys is the area where you're hunting. Is it a bushy area? Is it open area? Are you going to shoot close distances up to 100, 150 meters? Are you going to shoot? Are you going to need to shoot up to 300 meters sometimes? Yeah, so let me give you my view of which scope you can choose for your application. Okay guys, let's start with the SQ35 L 3.0. So when you're hunting in very bushy area and you're only going to shoot up to maximum 200 meters or so, this scope will be suitable for you because of the wide field of view it have. For you to scan around, you will see quickly if there's something at a wider angle. It also have a zoom pro function in. Really nice scope, not for long distances, maybe up to 300 meters, comfortably up to 250, 200 meters. But a really nice crystal clear view with the laser rangefinder, ballistic calculator built inside, a couple of color palettes, onboard recording. A really nice scope at a really good price. Okay, so let's move over to the SQ50. Okay guys, the SQ50, this scope, it will also work in bushy areas, but because of the 50mm objective lens and the base magnification of 3.6, this one's going to give you a bit narrower field of view. So it's not really suitable for quite thick bushy area. It can work, but this one is more for open field grounds where you can see very far, up to 500 meters. You can take comfortably take shots up to 300 meters with this thing. I even went further at some hunts, but from 50 meters to 300 meters you're gonna shoot it comfortably with this 50 millimeter scope. Yeah, also the laser rangefinder inside, as I showed you before, with the ballistic calculators to help you calculate the bullet drop. Really nice scope, couple of color palettes, 6 in fact, onboard recording, video recording, pre-recording settings. I made a really nice review about this specific scope. You can go and Google it on my channel. Yeah, guys, please, and remember to just like and subscribe my channel. It will help me, YouTube, to send my videos to more viewers worldwide. Yeah. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Dankie julle manne om my video te kyk. If you need any assistance, as jy hulp kort of nie verstaan nie of iets, of jy wil iets weet of jy wil raad hê, bel my gerus, phone me whenever you want. Yeah, and leave your comments in the comments below. Ask me what you would love to see more. But this is really in the 640 range. You won't find any better than these two scopes. Really, really nice scopes. Thank you very much for watching.